Hi friends, it's Miss Drywa. How are you? I hope you all had a wonderful day off yesterday for Memorial Day. Hope you relaxed and you rested because you definitely deserve it. You earned it. You've been working all super duper hard. We're super proud of you. Keep up the great work. For math this week, we're still doing multiplication, but we're doing our 8 times table. So we're getting close to the end, and then we'll move on to division. But you're all doing amazing. I'm going to keep up the great work. So let's get started. So we're going to focus today on, again, skip counting, finding the multiples of 8. Just like we do at the beginning of every week, it's important to use our different methods. We have our number chart we can utilize, our number line, then some skip counting, then a couple multiplication problems for us. So, skip counting to multiply, friends. All right, so first we have our number chart. Put myself down here. Okay. So, just like we did last week in our live lesson and every week before that, we have to count to find. That's one way. So if I count, now remember, we're counting by 8 because we're going to be skip counting or finding the multiples of 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8. So friends, just like we have talked about, and I believe it was Connor in our lesson last week told us that if we're skip counting by 8, we should always start with that number. So we're skip counting by 8, we're going to start with what number? 8. Awesome job. We're going to start with 8. So let's keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What number, friends, did I land on? 16. Awesome job. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what number did I land on here? 24. Great job, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What number did I land on here? 32. Awesome job. Let's do one more. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What number is this? 40. So friends, so far we have found a few of the multiples of 8. Remember, these are the numbers that 8, when you multiply 8 by a number, you get these answers. These are going to help us when we get into division eventually. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have the first 5 multiples of 8. We can keep going. So before we keep going, though, we could look at this and I can say, well, 1 times 8, the first multiple is 8. 2 times 8, I just count 1, 2, 16. 3 times 8, 1, 2, 3, 24. 4 times 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 32. 5 times 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 40. So these can help us with our multiplication. Let's do another one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So our sixth multiple of 8 is 48. We're going to pause there so we can keep going. So let's see. Let me clear my screen. There we go. So now if we have a number line. Again, we've all seen number lines before. We've all used number lines before. This is a very familiar strategy for us. So let's see. The same thing, friends. I tell you, if we're going to count by 8, we're going to start with 8. And then we keep going. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And just like my 100 chart, I got 16 as my second multiple. So I know 2 times 8 equals 16. So our multiples of 8. We have 8. Now, again, we always start with the number that we're either skip counting by or trying to find the multiples of. So I want everybody to say the numbers with me. Okay, so ready? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Let's do it again. Here we go. Ready? 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. Awesome job, friends. So those are skip counting by 8 and our multiples of 8. They're actually our multiples of 8. So again, we can use those when we multiply. They're going to help us. So I'm going to make myself bigger. There you go. So awesome job, friends. So we're going to focus on today. I want to focus more on the skip counting and the multiples of 8. You'll do a Nearpod and complete some activities in there. And then we'll get into a little more multiplication tomorrow. Great job.